On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. And that's basically the idea about the close-ups. Now let's go up to a wider shot, and I want to focus on a close-up of Lonnie over here. Now she's talking to him in the scene, so let's get her camera all set up for her close-up. Alright, we're going to zoom in with the tool here and just position her in the way that you want. Go to character and pivot her looking to her left. And then just kind of frame her up. The same principle. We've left a little space on the right side of the screen and she's looking to her left. I'm going to click on motion and find a proper motion for her. I think I want her hand on her hip, and yeah, I think I like that. Now I could bring her in a little closer, and again I'm leaving that space on the right side of the screen so that the two close-ups back to back will look more realistic and more acceptable to the viewer.